Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be playing with the Colourpop Supernova shadows. They look like this. They're not the traditional eyeshadow that you would find. They're in what looks like a lip gloss tube, but they dry to where they don't move, like you can touch them and they don't transfer. I did this gold smoky look with a just nude lip. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so my face base is already on because I'm filming a first impressions review video. So that's probably up before this makeup tutorial. So I'll link it down in the description box if you want to know my thoughts on the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. So I already primed. I used the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Let's get it, let's get it. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium 25. And then I set it with the Ben Nye Luxury Powder, the same powder I used to set my face or set my concealer. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette, and I'm going to be using, I just dug my nail in one of those shadows, and I'm also going to be using the Colourpop Supernova shadows. And these shadows right here, they come in this kind of container, which looks a lot like the Stila glitter eyeshadows. And I've swatched them. I swatched all of them on my arm, or my mom's arm, and it's on my Instagram. But I think I'm going to just go for a gold eye look today to kind of match the yellow in my shirt. So with the Supernova shadows, they come with 3 gold shades, but they all have different undertones. So, or like different flecks of glitter. I think I'm just gonna go in with Dragon. But first I want to lay down my crease colors, starting with a mixture of Toasty and Henna. I'm gonna use that as my transition. A dark transition at that. And then I'm going to take a pointy blending brush from Sigma. This is the E45 brush in the shade After Hours. And I'm going to blend this into the crease, but upside down, because I want just the definition to start in the crease. We'll start as like a line and blend upwards. And then for the lid color, I'm gonna go in with the Dragon Supernova shadow. And all you have to do is just wipe these on and let them dry. These are really good for if you want to do a cut crease, because I could wing it out and then make it really sharp, but I'm not going to wing it out today. Just going to do this right here and smoke out my lower lash line. I think I want to go for like a doll look, so I'm going to add a bit of nude liner in my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the same pointy blending brush that I used and then go in with the shade Henna. I just dropped the palette on my shirt. Now look, I got boxes of eyeshadow now. And then for lashes, I'm going to use the Koko Lashes Queen B's. And I'm actually going to do this trick that I just thought of, because every time I put my lashes back in here and I don't really clean off the band, it still has some of that shimmer from the last look. So instead of waiting till I have them on before I put on the black liner on the band, I'm gonna just do it now. So I'm gonna paint it with some liquid liner, and I'm gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna add glue. I really should just clean the lashes, but I don't have time for that right now. So this is a quick fix. Okay, so next time you guys see me, I'll have on lashes. Now I'm going to apply some mascara to hide my real lashes up here. I'm already doing it, okay? Add a little bit on my real lashes up here, because the lashes kind of abruptly stop. So I need to put some of my real lashes up here. Now it looks like a full lash. I'm gonna add this to my lower lashes as well. I will say that the shadow that I used dried a little bit patchy. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit more as like a second layer to areas that are kind of patchy. Like I said. All right, that did it. Now just let it dry. Then I'm going to do my highlights. And for highlight, I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome that is broke. Look, it broke when I was in New Orleans, and yeah. So for blush, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Hot Flush Blush. It's just an orange blush. I think it'll go really good with the gold that we have on our eyes. Then I'm going to do my lip color. I'm going to fill them in with MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil. And for the lipstick, I'm using Taupe lipstick from MAC. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of this gold smoky look. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.